Hello, good morning, good mid morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naftal Mocha. Today is a special day because the kids are on holiday. And we are planning to do what? Son, what are we planning to do today?
Nature walk.
So we are going for a nature walk so that they can be able to enjoy the ambience of the village. So far, are you happy with the village life?
Yes.
What do you love about the village?
Food.
The food is natural.
Yes.
Okay, so today we are going to be in our gumboots and then go for a nature walk. They will also swim in the river, so they also eat some wild fruits. So kindly be with us as we go there. Yeah, so Essie, are you excited? Are you happy that we are going for a nature walk?
Yes.
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 Yeah, so guys, we are going for a nature walk, and we'll keep you posted, so kindly keep watching till the end. Thank you. So those are the organic chicken, our organic chicken, or the kienyeji, the indigenous chicken in the village. And this is where the chicken lay their eggs. So we collect eggs, purely organic. And these are our rabbits. Let's see, can you touch the rabbits? Yeah, so these are our rabbits. The rabbits have kids, the small kids. The young ones of our rabbits is called a kid. Can you see that? That is a kid. Those are the kids, rabbit kids. You see, can you touch them? Touch them. You don't fear? Yeah. Yeah, so let's go. So let's go. And these are our passion fruits. This time round, the passion fruits have done so well. Plenty of them. Plenty of them. Plenty of passion fruits. I'm telling you, these are rainy season. We have plenty of passion fruits. Yeah, so I'm actually, we are now going towards the nature walk with the kids. So with me there is Blue. This is our dog, and there's also Maxi. So we are headed there. Our grass thatched roof gazebo. Yeah, so we are headed down the path with the kids for a nature walk. Yeah. So this is Max, Blue, and Max. They are following us. And son, what are you holding in your hand?
Drone.
Can you show them? You should open. Yeah, so guys, keep watching as we go down with the kids for a nature walk. That is our brother's my brother's project. These are bricks. Let me just go there a little bit. So these are bricks. These are bricks are made in Africa. So they are made from clay, and then they are burned. So bricks are normally soil that has been baked. So the soil is baked here. This is where the soil is baked. Like now, this is the soil that is being prepared. So they prepare from here the soil mixed with water, baked, and then now molded into bricks. So these are the bricks. Then they are left to dry in this greenhouse, and then once they are very dry, they are burned to make bricks that help in building houses. Yeah, so we are headed down the road. Can you show them the drone? So we're also going to fly our drone. Yeah, because they requested Yeah, so let's go. So guys, ensure that you keep watching this YouTube channel, and thank you for those people who are watching. And I know it's been long since I posted. Yeah, sometimes content creation is not a joke, so sometimes you also need to have a break. Yeah, I've been having like a 3 weeks break without posting, and I feel now that I have the energy to continue with the content creation. So kindly keep supporting me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Right now we are 3,930 subscribers, so we are remaining only with a few, like 70 subscribers, so that we hit 4,000. But our target is 5,000 and then eventually 10,000. Yeah, so we're headed down, and this is an avocado tree here. So in front of me, this is a beehive. This is a bee aviary. I constructed this aviary a few weeks ago, so that I be installing so many beehives here. So this one is there's the upper floor and the lower floor, or the lower rack, the lower rack, sorry, the lower rack and the upper rack. So this one it will hold up to 20 beehives maximum. So that is another beehive that I transported from the upper side to this side. So now they have an aviary. Yeah, and this aviary is going to hold more bees. So that is a beehive. So we are going to have more beehives here. Yeah, and I can't wait to have more beehives here, so that we'll be harvesting lots of honey. So all this place is going to be an aviary or a sanctuary. This is going to be a bee sanctuary, because I'll be planting more trees that will be attracting bees, more bees here, and then they'll be secluded in this. So I have planted some crops around the edges, so when they grow up, the bees will be comfortable in a secluded place. Yeah, like now we have this wild sunflower. I planted this wild sunflower so that it will be essential for the bees. Yeah, so let me try to be near the bees. As you can see, this is the entrance. Can you see the bees there? Yeah, so that's the entrance and the exit of the beehive. Yeah, so let's go. Let's keep going. So that is our bee aviary and a bee sanctuary. Very soon we are going to have so many beehives here, more than 100 pieces. So we are still on to the journey, or with the journey, and there's a hub that I wanted to show these kids, my children. So this is called ekebunga baiseke in my native language. It's like a normal, so it's like a traditional makeup for ladies. So it's called ekebunga baiseke. Baiseke is the ladies. So when you crush it, it will turn into red. You see? So this is a natural makeup. So I'm going to apply it. You see, can I apply it on you? Yeah, so I'm going to apply it. Look up. So this juice is what we call the makeup now. So this is the natural makeup. Tulia. So can you see? Natural makeup. You see? Can you see it's now red? Now your face looks like red. That is natural makeup. So this tree is a natural makeup. It's called ekebunga baiseke, but I'm going to find the right, or the botanical name, or the English name, the botanical name for this. It's called ekebunga baiseke, the natural makeup. Can you see? Yeah, so that is natural makeup that I'm showing my daughter here. So let's keep going. Maxi, Blue. Guys, can you see Blue is now big? She was very thin, but now I know she's also expecting, and you can see now the muscles are back. She's so fat now. Blue. Yeah, so let's go. for a nature walk. Are you happy, Essie? Yes? Are you happy? Sanchez, are you happy?
Yes.
What makes you happy?
The nature.
The nature walk. Yeah, so this is a nature walk. Keep walking. So they are so happy being in the village for the nature walk. Hmm? And I'm also very happy I'm with them now that it's holiday time. Yeah, so we are on with the nature walk. So this is the river. So we are walking past the river as we go to our shamba or our garden where we shall be planting very soon. Keep walking. Max? Keep walking. Yes, you keep walking. Pole pole, Esi. Good. So we've come a point where the bushes are so thick and the young one cannot be able to go through alone. So I'll have to carry her on the back. Are you feeling happy now?
Yes.
Yeah, so it can only be easier if I carry her on my back through the thick forest. You know, they're used to town, so these bushes are strange to them. We have our security here. Our security. Keep going. You want to have us?
Yes.
Yeah, so we now arrived where there are guavas. So I'm trying to look for a better guava for her or for them. So have this, you see?
Yes.
Yeah, son. So let me look for more. Want me to bite for you? Let's proceed. Tuendelea. So we want to cross this bridge, this wooden bridge. So I have to carry her. Come. Hebu jaribu. Pole pole. Slowly. So this is we are now at the field are the, the bushes or the forests. These are the indigenous forests. We also have the indigenous fruits. So actually this is where this is going to be the epitome of our nature walk. So that I show you. Yeah, these wild fruits. So these are fruits. These are fruits here. So it's not a season for the fruits, but I can show you one. Yes. So there's this fruit. Can you see these, guys? So eat this. It's good. Chew. Chew. So let's keep going. Can you see the thickets? Bushes. Here we do have wild animals. We have the dik-diks. We have the wild rabbits or the hares. We also have the hedgehogs, the ones that do eat, even the ones that do eat the chicken from our farms. Yeah, we also have wild dogs here, but at this time they are always asleep, so they cannot come for us. And again, even if they come, we have our own security here. Yeah. Yeah. So all these that you can see here, these are wild fruits and herbs. And long time ago, especially my community, they were not farmers, they were hunters and gatherers. So they used to hunt wild animals like the gazelles for meat and wild fruits as food. Yeah, so though this is not a very good season for the wild fruits, these ones, so we only have a few. Can you eat this? And these fruits are medicinal, by the way. So we came to enjoy this. So we are going to find a place, a very conducive shade, so that we can sit and have our own chats, our own talks with the kids. So let's go. Let's keep going. Can we go? So we are looking for a shade so that we can sit and share. Keep watching. So these are the blackberries. These are the dark berries. So they're also edible. They're also very sweet. Eat this black one. The darker the berry, the sweeter it is. Can you eat?
Me?
Yeah, eat. Eat. Chew. Yeah, so these are the one of the wild fruits that are blossom here. So let's keep going and look for a conducive place to sit. Maxi is afraid. So actually we are coming live from Nyamira County, Borabu sub-county, and this is a village called Matunwa. Yeah, because I have some interest here. I have listed some land here where I do farming. So that's why we came here to have at least a nature walk, because all these forests, all these thickets are undisturbed. So they are as original as they were during the colonial and pre-colonial period. Yeah. So now we've found a shade, a very good shade. So we are going to sit here. Let's see, can you sit here? Son, come sit here. So that we enjoy our own time under the shade with our dogs, Blue and Maxi. Yeah. Hey. So, son, AC. Do you love this place?
Yes.
Why? What have you enjoyed so far for this nature walk?
The fruits.
The fruits. What fruits have you eaten so far?
Blackberries.
Blackberry, and then
Guavas.
guavas, and then the red ones. The red ones, I've forgotten the name. They are called in the native language Nyangateti. But we are going to find the botanical name. I think I have the botanical name, but I've forgotten. So far we've eaten 3 types of wild flowers, wild fruits, right? And you enjoy that?
Yes.
So when you are going to school, before you go to school, I want you to write a composition, a creative composition about the nature walk that we've had today. Are you going to write it?
Yes.
So you are going to write it so that I can mark for you, so that I can award you marks.
Yes.
And I see, what have you enjoyed so far? What have you enjoyed? What? What have you enjoyed?
Blackberry.
Blackberry. Look up. Face the camera. Blackberry and guavas. Okay, good. Have you also enjoyed walking?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So one day you're also going to write a composition about this nature walk. Okay?
Yes.
Because right now you don't know how to write composition, right?
Yes.
But when you be bigger, you write. Cynthia? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So, Sans, what do you enjoy about the village life so far? Especially
The nature.
the nature. Especially what? You know, nature is so wide. Especially what?
The trees.
The trees. Guys, can you see from the horizon all that? Can you see the beauty of the clouds? This is the village life that we enjoy here. The village is so green, so many wild fruits, so many trees. The air is so fresh. I also enjoy the fresh air. And you do?
Yes.
Yeah, so from here we have some snacks here that we shall enjoy. And then we're also going to fly our drone before we go home. And also we're going to swim, right? Will you enjoy swimming? Yeah, so we'll show you some bit of swimming because they've been yearning to swim in the village river. So kindly keep watching this channel and kindly support by subscribing, commenting. Yeah, and you can even donate to our channel so that we keep pushing. Kindly support our channel so that we grow. So we are now through with our shade sitting, and we're going to march towards home. Before we even get to home, we must fly our drone and then swim, right? Yeah, so let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, can you tell them welcome to my YouTube channel?
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe,
Comment,
and share.
and share.
Good. Which channel is this? Which YouTube channel?
Left and mocha.
Naftal Mocha. Good. Kumbe you know. Let's go.
Hey.
Guys, this is Nyamira County, and beyond that horizon, that is Bomet County. And we are enjoying the field, the views of this field, and thickets and bushes, the shrubs of East Africa. These are some of the shrubs of East Africa here. Then these are fruits also, but we haven't found a ripe one. Bees love these flowers. Yeah, so let's keep going. Can you try to help them hunt? Blue. So this is how you make them to hunt. Blue. Blue. Blue.
Unataka isi.
So Blue is going in. Blue is going in to see if she can find some wild animal. Hey, Blue is not so good at hunting. I really miss my dog Rex. Rex was a very good hunter. Blue is not a good hunter. So she's trying to sniff, but she's afraid to go inside. So I'm actually teaching my girl. Traditionally, women were supposed to collect firewood. So I'm teaching her how to collect firewood. Collect more, mommy. So today, she will collect firewood for cooking. Yeah. Carry more again. More and more. And more. More. Carry that one. Again, this. Put it there. Put it there collectively. Good girl. So collect more and more. So guys, that is CBC. Competency-based curriculum in Kenya. So they need to be very practical. So if they learn about firewood, they need to learn how to collect firewood and how food is cooked. So she's actually collecting firewood. Come, collect more. So once she has collected the firewood, we are going to assist her to tie the firewood so that she can easily carry them home. So this is how our grandmother used to collect firewood, and even our mother. So we are only teaching her how to be an African woman, a hard-working village African lady. Yeah, so these ones are now ready to be carried home. Yeah, carry that. So you see, yeah, and that is how we, yeah. So let's go home now. So now our African woman, our African lady, has collected firewood, and we are going home to cook lunch. Come on, keep going. You are an African woman. Say you are an African woman. African woman. African woman. Say African woman.
African woman.
Yeah. So let's go home. Keep walking. Village life. From town to the village. So now it's good they understand the life of the village and they enjoy it. Because this is the basics of life, the village. Yeah, so let's keep going. We are making this ready for flying the drone. Yes. 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 So these are the blade guards before we fly the drone. So this side should face the other side because it has the camera and the torch. So then Is it? Stand here. Switch it on. Is it on? Okay. So you should be at the back. Huko basi. So now we are headed home. We are now headed home after collecting the firewood, flying the drone, so that we go and cook lunch. Unfortunately, we could not swim because there are lots of rain. It's a rainy season, so the water was too much, and it can even carry them away. So let's go. Yeah, so we are going home after the nature walk, eating wild fruits. Now we are going home to cook lunch. Essie, let's go. Yeah. So kindly keep watching my YouTube channel on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Kindly like it, comment and share, and support our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Now we are headed home. I told you this is a rainy season. It's mud everywhere, so we are going home, which is there.